Hi, my name is Denis Borovskoy. I'm the commercial team manager of IT Oeste. We're a company that creates custom software development in two main path fields. Firstly, mobile apps, where we use technologies like React Native, Swift, and similars. And secondly, web platforms, where we use React.js, Laravel, and others. Why to create custom software? Because we provide solutions to problems which cannot be solved with the existing softwares in the market. For example, when you have special aesthetic requirements, or special technical requirements, or special business needs. To whom is custom software? Firstly, entrepreneurs who want to impact in the market with new tech, for example, SaaS companies, software as a service. And also small mid companies in production and also for service providers. Also corporations, which are looking for a company who provides human resources faster in big impact projects, and to any who has custom needs. The steps. The first step, idea and planification. We figure out the general idea of the project, business needs, tech needs, schedules, and other requirements. Second, wireframing and programming. We turn the idea in draws, which are made by our professional designers. After that, when the first wireframes are approved, we start to program them. This is one of the longest steps of the development process. Finally, fun tune and release. We tune up the whole project and we start with the first test with real users group. Thanks.